Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete activity on Cash App. So first of all, just download and log into your Cash App. And I want to tell you that Cash App is currently working just on the United States. So if you are not living on the United States, so out of United States, maybe you can use a VPN or something like this to use this Cash App. So as we said, we would like to delete our activities. So first of all, just click on this clock icon at the bottom right corner. And as you can see, for me, I have nothing here. Your future activity will be organized here. You will find every transaction you made, every maybe if you invite friend, if you made the payments, if you pay, if you like receive money, request money, add cash, a cash out, you will find everything here on your activity. So first of all, let me tell you that unfortunately you cannot delete the Cash App transaction history of your Cash App. So when you go to the Cash App settings option here, so I'm going to my profile and then scroll down. As you can see here, we don't have an option like that we can delete the activity from. So of course we have here the document option and its account statement or even tax return. We will have no option that will even let us delete our activity. But of course you can go here and click on support and talk with the supports. Of course here you can search chat if you didn't find your problem here. As you can see here, so if I type delete activity, as you can see I don't have this option here or where I can delete my activity. So all you would like to do is you can just go here and start a chart and then request to the support or request if they can delete your activity. So this is the only way to delete your activity. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.